English Community Presence, Idiom of the Day. In two mind. If you're in two minds about something, you can't decide what to do, or you can't decide which option is the best.
For example, Jen is in two minds about what to study at university. She's interested in history, but she also likes the idea of being a lawyer. Second example. We're in two minds about what to do during our vacation. We could go traveling somewhere, or we could stay home and fix up the garden. Complete the following sentence. Pause the video and write your answer in comment box. Thanks for watching. Do you want more interesting videos? Subscribe now to our channel.